what's up YouTube, we are back again with another unboxing on my channel, and this time around we have the Redmi Note 10 Pro in the house. And basically this device is looking absolutely great. It's going to be coming with 108 megapixel of a main sensor, 120 Hz of refresh rate, and also it's going to be coming with a 5000 milliamp of a battery capacity inside. So this is going to be an absolutely great device in this price category. Basically the device I have right now, it's coming with a 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage, and the color which I have chosen is the Glacier Blue color. So basically this device is looking great in these color options. So let's do the quick unboxing of that particular machine, and then we will move towards its internal storage and check out some design of that particular machine. So in the box we have the warranty card for that particular device, and in here the first thing we have the Xiaomi lid box, which is going to be similar to the other Xiaomi devices. We have the same ejector pin here as well, and also inside we have some paperwork is going to be available, and basically no one reads it, so let's put it aside. And in here the last thing we have the silicone cover, which is going to be a decent quality, not excellent but a decent quality TPU color cover is available. So these are the things which are available in the lid box. Let's put it aside for a moment, and next we have in the box is going to be the device, which is going to be looking great in that Glacier color option. And we have the main highlights of the device, like the 108 megapixel quad camera, 120 Hz of refresh, AMOLED display is going to be available, and Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G processor and 33 watt of fast charging. So let's peel it off real quickly and put aside these covers. I will quickly turn on the device and do the setup process for that particular machine and let you know what this device is capable of inside. So other thing in the box we have included is the USB Type-C cable, which is going to be coming with USB 2.0. You can check here, it's going to be USB Type-C and USB 2.0. Basically it's going to be coming, and also in the box we have the 33 watt of charging support inside, which is looking absolutely great from Xiaomi. So these are the box content we have. So let's move towards the device and see what this device is going to be coming inside. So guys, I have completely set up the device. It's looking great. We have 120 Hz of refresh rate on top of 6.67 inch of AMOLED display, which is looking great in that particular display. Also we have a punch-hole camera cutout present on the top center of the device, which is going to be of 16 megapixel. Also we have the front panel is going to be protected by Gorilla Glass 5 protection, and IP53 dust and splash resistance is also supported on that particular display, which is going to be a great option in such a price category. Also we are going to see that the bezels around the edges are going to be pretty much slim, and we have a smaller chin on the bottom as well. Moving on towards the back side, well, we have the camera bump present on the back side in a square shape, in a rectangular shape you can say, and also we have the Glacier Blue color, which is looking great on the back side. Now obviously this is not going to be a great color option because it is going to be a fingerprint magnet, because whenever I am moving it in the light, it is going to be giving us that there are some fingerprints present on the back side. Anyhow, talking about the camera sensor, we have 108 megapixel of a main sensor, which is going to be the highlight of that particular machine, and it's looking great just because of its camera ring, which is going to be coming in a similar color option, so that making the design even more cooler. Also we have the 8 megapixel of ultra wide, 5 megapixel of depth sensor, and 2 megapixel of macro shooter available as well. Also we have the LED flashlight available on the back side. So talking about the design, we have the fingerprint sensor present on the right side of the device in the power button. Volume up and down button is also available here, whereas on the top we have the IR blaster noise cancellation mic, a stereo speaker present on the top of the device. A 3.5mm headphone jack is also available, and on the left side we have the same situation, same tray you can say, and on the bottom we have the Type-C port, noise cancellation mic, and the second speaker is also available here, which means that we have dual speaker support in the Redmi devices. So guys, also the device is going to be coming with a fingerprint and Face ID support. So the fingerprint is going to be real quickly, it's going to be embedded on the right side, so that is looking fast. Also we have the Face ID. I'm just presenting my face in front of the device, and it's going to be unlocking it real quickly. You can see here I'm just unlocking using my face. So this is going to be looking great, fast and accurate. Fingerprint and Face IDs are going to be available. inside that particular machine. So talking about the software experience of that particular device, we have I think that Android 11 support in here in the device with MIUI 12 support on top of that. Yeah, we are going to be seeing that it's coming with a MIUI 12 support on top of this device, and also the Android variant is going to be Android 11, which is going to be coming with great option. This variant which is going to be coming is the 128 gigs of internal storage, 6 gigs of RAM inside, so looking great. So guys, if you talk about the camera app, you will be noticing that it is coming with few features like the Pro mode, video mode, photo modes, and portrait mode, and some other modes are available like the night mode, vlog mode, and some bunch of other stuff which I am going to cover in my full review. So guys, I have already taken few images from that particular machine. So if you look at those images, these are the outdoor images looking great. When I zoom in here, just provide a good quality image using the 108 megapixel sensor. Also we have the other images indoor, and it's looking great. The 108 megapixel camera sensor is really giving us a great option to have by looking at these images. Also there is going to be an ultra wide camera sensor is available, which I am going to test out in my camera review as well. Internally, the device is going to be coming with a Snapdragon 732G processor, which is going to be a great processing choice because it has been optimized for gaming for quite some time now. We have already seen some other devices like the Galaxy A52, it's coming with similar processor inside, so we can expect that this processor is going to be performing really great. The battery of the device is going to be coming with a 5000 milliamp of a battery cell inside, which is looking great. A great option, having 120 Hz of refresh rate on top of that is going to be a really great option we have right now. So guys, overall I think that this device is looking pretty much great. It's coming with 120 Hz of refresh rate, 108 megapixel camera sensor, 5000 milliamp of a battery capacity inside with a 33 watt of charging support inside. I think that this is going to be an absolutely great package in such a price category, like $279 for the base variant of the device is going to be coming. So this is going to be a great choice for all those guys who are looking for a great device in such a price category. Although the software experience is going to be a little odd as far as I am concerned, but other than that, it's going to be coming with absolutely great spec sheet inside. So guys, that is it in this particular video. These are my initial thoughts. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Peace.